Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. In this video, we are going to discuss important MCQs related to direct filling gold. Melting point of gold is 900 degrees Celsius, 2500 degrees Celsius, 1063 degrees Celsius, 1800 degrees Celsius. 1063 degrees Celsius. Most of the direct filling golds are 18 carat, 22 carat, 24 carat, 16 carat. 24 carat. Gold content of 24 carat gold is 100% and the 18 carat gold contain 75% of gold. Ammonia treated gold foil is called cohesive, non-cohesive, semi-cohesive, none of the above. Non-cohesive. 18% ammonia treated gold foil known as non-cohesive and the coating prevents surface contamination. In cohesive gold, it is free of surface contaminants and placed directly into cavity preparation. Which of the following type of gold alloy used to fabricate FPD and crowns in dentistry? Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4. Type 3. Most commonly used gold alloy in dentistry is Type 3. It commonly used to fabricate crown and fixed partial denture. Electrolytic precipitation of gold is matte gold, crystalline gold, spongy gold, all of the above. All of the above. Electrolytic precipitation of gold is also known as matte gold, crystalline gold, spongy gold. Electron alloy is an alloy of gold and calcium, cobalt and chromium, gold and cobalt, gold and silver. Gold and calcium. Electrolyte is an alloy of gold and calcium. The calcium content in alloyed electrolytic precipitate is 10%, 0.1%, 0.001%, 1%. 0.1%. The calcium content in electrolyte is 0.1%. The purpose of adding calcium to matte gold is to avoid voids, to increase the hardness and strength, decasing purpose, all of the above. To increase the hardness and strength. Powdered gold is formed by chemical precipitation and atomization, electrolytic precipitation, beating of pure gold, both A and B. Chemical precipitation and atomization. Powdered gold, also known as granular gold, and it is made by the process of chemical precipitation and atomization. Average particle size of powdered gold is 15 microns, 10 microns, 25 microns, 20 microns. 15 microns. Powdered gold commercially available as Williams EZ gold, corrugated gold, platinized gold, electroalloy. Williams EZ gold. Powdered gold commercially available as Williams EZ gold. Which of the following direct filling gold is used as bulk filler? Electroalloy, matte gold, gold foil, matte foil. Matte gold. Matte gold used as bulk filler and the matte foil used for veneering. Magnetic force is directed perpendicular to the walls, parallel to the walls, 45 degrees to the walls, none of the above. 45 degrees to the wall. Force of condensation to the cavity wall and floor is 45 degrees, and the force of condensation to previously condensed gold is 90 degrees. Cava surface margin for direct gold restoration: 10 to 20 degree bevel, 15 to 25 degree bevel, 30 to 40 degree bevel, 60 to 90 degree bevel. 30 to 40 degree bevel. The cava surface margin for direct filling gold restoration is 30 to 40 degree bevel. Difference in cavity preparation of gold from amalgam: a reverse bevel, sharp line angle and point angle, more conservative cavity than amalgam, all of the above. All of the above. In cavity preparation of gold, reverse bevel and sharp line angles and point angles present. Which of the following is contraindication of direct filling gold? Teeth with large pulp chamber, periodontally weakened teeth, root canal filled tooth, all of the above. All of the above. All these are important contraindication of gold restoration. Then indications are repair of casting margin, class 2, 5 and 6 restoration, pit and small class 1 cavities. It's all about the topic direct filling gold. See you with another video. Thank you.